In this video, I'm going to show you the secrets to building a profitable crypto portfolio in 2023. If you're eager to capitalize on the upcoming bull market, you've come to the right place. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal to you my carefully curated picks for the best crypto investments that have the potential to skyrocket your profits. But that's not all. I have a treasure of exciting suggestions and insider tips lined up for you all the way to the end of this video. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Get ready to dive into a world of valuable insights that you won't want to miss out on. Let's get started. 1. Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the pioneering cryptocurrency created in 2009, has experienced remarkable price fluctuations throughout its history, and 2021 and 2022 were no exceptions. In 2021, Bitcoin soared to new heights, reaching an all-time high of over $60,000 in mid-April, only to tumble by 50% during the summer, hitting a low of $29,000 in July. There was a temporary recovery in September, but the price remained volatile, eventually hitting a new all-time high of $67,549 in November. However, in December 2021 and throughout January 2022, Bitcoin faced a downward trend, reaching a low of $22,184 in January, triggered by various events such as the Russia-Ukraine conflict and global economic conditions. The price of Bitcoin in 2022 continued to fluctuate, influenced by factors such as the bankruptcy of Celsius Network, Elon Musk's decision to sell Tesla's BTC holdings, aggressive interest rate hikes, and inflation in several countries. On December 12, 2022, the price of Bitcoin dropped to around $16,985, marking a decline of about 60% since the beginning of the year. Despite the recent price drop, experts have varying predictions for Bitcoin's price in 2023. Some remain optimistic, with predictions ranging from an average price of $26,405 to reaching as high as $100,000 or even $250,000 by mid-2023, according to well-known investor Tim Draper. However, other predictions are more conservative, with estimates of possible dips to $10,111 in December 2023. It's important to note that the cryptocurrency market is highly unpredictable, and past performance is not indicative of future returns. Conducting thorough research, staying updated with current trends, news, and expert analysis, and consulting with qualified financial professionals are essential before making any investment decisions in 2023. Being aware of the inherent volatility and risks associated with the cryptocurrency market is crucial for investors to make informed decisions and manage their risk tolerance effectively. If you don't share this video with at least 5 of your crypto enthusiast friends, you'll never make any money with crypto. This is the curse of Cryptop. The more people you share it with, the more money you'll make. 2. Ethereum. Over the years, Ethereum has displayed impressive price movements despite its inherent volatility, making it a compelling asset for investors to consider from a long-term perspective. In mid-2021, Ethereum showed a positive trend as its price surged to $3,529.43 in early May, surpassing its previous record of $2,684.56 in late April. This significant increase aligned with predictions from crypto experts who foresaw further upward momentum for Ethereum. By the end of December 2021, ETH reached its all-time high of $4,000 per token, equivalent to $3,819.46. This remarkable surge of around 300% from its value in December 2020 highlighted Ethereum's potential for continuous growth, making it a top choice for cryptocurrency investment. However, in 2022, Ethereum's price took a downward turn compared to its peak at the end of 2021. Starting the year at $3,683 in January, Ethereum's value gradually declined, hitting a low of $2,406 on January 24th. Despite brief recoveries in February and September, Ethereum faced continuous declines, with news of Fidelity offering ETH trading to its customers failing to turn the tide. By October 21st, 2022, Ethereum's price had dropped to around $1,285, making it the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization at that time. Although Ethereum experienced periodic highs, reaching $1,346 in December, it closed the year at $1,215, significantly lower than its value at the end of 2021, which was $4,000. Despite facing significant declines in 2022, Ethereum, ETH, is still predicted to see future price increases, as forecasted by various crypto asset prediction websites. CoinCodex, an algorithm-based crypto asset prediction site, predicts a short-term increase for ETH, reaching $1,323 on December 26, 2022, before dropping to $1,316 on January 20, 2023. GovCapital forecasts a year-end price of $3,587 for ETH in 2023, with a further rise to $6,560 by the end of 2024. On the other hand, Digital Coin Price predicts a more conservative estimate of $5,495 for ETH in 2025, with projected average prices of $2,878 in 2023 and $4,134 in 2024. The site also suggests a potential price of around $17,220 for ETH by 2030, based on historical data. However, it's important to note that these predictions are not guaranteed, and thorough research and strategic planning are still necessary. The future of Ethereum's value remains uncertain, as it is unclear whether it will experience a rebound similar to the one in December 2021. Despite optimistic predictions and market conditions for 2022, experts acknowledge that there will still be fluctuations along the way. It is important to remember that the crypto market is highly volatile, making it challenging to accurately predict Ethereum's price today or in 2023, let alone in the long term. Therefore, algorithm-based predictions and expert opinions may not always align with future realities. Check out the links in the description for more amazing videos that I'm sure you'll love. 3. Polygon. Polygon is a groundbreaking protocol and framework that facilitates seamless interoperability between Ethereum and compatible blockchains. Powered by its native token, Matic, Polygon leverages Layer 2 sidechains to enable lightning-fast and cost-effective transactions on the Ethereum network. With its comprehensive multi-chain system, Polygon is poised to revolutionize the blockchain world by bridging Ethereum and other blockchains in an innovative way. Since its launch in 2017, Matic, the native token of Polygon, has experienced impressive gains, with a staggering growth of 44,157.6%. In 2021, Matic saw a massive surge, starting from 1 cent on January 1st. Within just 2.5 months, it skyrocketed to 50 cents on February 10th and further reached $1 on May 12th, followed by an all-time high of $2 on May 26th. However, it couldn't sustain its ATH and experienced a downward trend, falling below $1 in late July. Nonetheless, Matic recently achieved a new all-time high of $2.92 on December 27th, 2021. Comparing its performance to BTC, Matic has seen an astounding increase of around 9,059% since January 1st, 2021, while BTC only rose by 309% during the same period. Despite a 27% decrease in Matic's price since mid-February, the network's growth remains robust. According to Be in Crypto, the number of active users on the Polygon network increased from 150,000 to 175,000 between February 5th and March 6th, with 17,000 new addresses holding Matic for at least a year during the same period. In a significant move for mainstream adoption, Starbucks Odyssey, Starbucks' first NFT project built on the Polygon network, sold out its initial collection of 2,000 NFTs called Stamps in just 18 minutes on March 9th. Additionally, Binance NFT officially added the Polygon network to its platform on March 8th, though currently only selected ERC 721 collections are available. Furthermore, Polygon Labs announced the release of Polygon ZKVM mainnet on March 27th, a new feature that is claimed to be equivalent to EVM, allowing developers to deploy Ethereum applications on the Polygon ZKVM network without significant modifications, providing exciting opportunities for cross-chain interoperability. The growth and potential of Polygon and its native token Matic are evident in their impressive price movements and increasing adoption by mainstream entities. However, as with any cryptocurrency investment, it is crucial to remember that the market is highly volatile, and thorough research and strategic planning are necessary to make informed decisions. Despite the positive trends and developments, the future of Polygon and Matic's value remains uncertain, and it is challenging to accurately predict their prices in the short or long term. As always, it is important to approach cryptocurrency investments with caution and seek professional advice if needed. I've created a free Telegram channel where I'll be hosting contests where you can earn up to $1,000 in crypto. The link to join is in the description below. Join now before I start charging, and invite your friends too. 4. Cosmos. Cosmos is a cryptocurrency network that is united by open-source tools to streamline transactions among different blockchains. It was founded in 2017 through an initial coin offering, ICO, by Žarko Milosevic, Jay Kwan, and Ethan Buchman, and is overseen by the Interchain Foundation, ICF, based in Zug, Switzerland. Cosmos comprises 3 distinct yet interconnected entities: the Cosmos Network, a highly scalable and independent decentralized network that lays the foundation for new token economies; Atom, the native cryptocurrency of the Cosmos Network; and the Interchain Foundation, ICF, an organization that supports the ecosystem contributing to the Cosmos Network. Atom, the cryptocurrency of Cosmos, has seen significant gains since the beginning of 2021. According to CoinMarketCap data, from the start of the year until September 16, 2021, Atom's price surged by 426%. Cosmos also reached its all-time high at $44.70 on September 20th, 2021. In October 2021, Atom remained above $30 throughout the month, with a peak of $43.22 on October 26, 2021, and a closing price of $37.26, slightly higher than September's closing price. However, the price of Cosmos gradually declined further, reaching $21.21 on December 14, 2021, before experiencing a substantial recovery to $43.61 on December 16, 2021. With a bullish sentiment surrounding Atom, Cosmos's price predictions for 2023 have been on the rise in recent weeks. Currently valued at around $12, many expect it to reach at least $22 by the end of the year. More optimistic price predictions for Cosmos have been set in the range of $27 to $33, which seems plausible given the recent developments in the network. In the best-case scenario, some experts even place the price prediction for Cosmos at $39. If this were to happen, investors today could potentially see a staggering increase of around 225%. Got a specific crypto you want me to analyze for you? Just drop it in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. 5. Aptos. Introducing Aptos, a Layer 1 blockchain powered by proof-of-stake that combines parallel transaction processing with a cutting-edge smart contract language called Move, aiming to achieve a theoretical transaction throughput of over 100,000 transactions per second. According to the News Cryptos analysis, Aptos, APT, has clear support and resistance levels on the daily time frame. The resistance level 1 is at $25.30, equivalent to $25.36, while the support level 1 is at $14.90, equivalent to $15. Support level 2 is at $8.20, equivalent to $8.21, and support level 3 is at $5.50, equivalent to $5.53. The chart indicates that APT has been showing a bullish trend over the past month. And if this trend continues, APT may experience further upward momentum, potentially surpassing its resistance level at $25.30, equivalent to $25.49. Coinpedia's technical analysis expert, Elena R., shared her price prediction for Aptos, APT, in 2023 on January 24th. Elena predicts that if the Aptos chart shows price stability, it could be a bullish sign for Aptos. She forecasts that APT could skyrocket by 38% and reach $25.47, equivalent to $25.63 by the end of the year. However, if the Aptos chart reverses direction, APT could touch its lowest price of $16.64, equivalent to $0.017 for the year. Don't miss out on the opportunity to build a well-diversified crypto portfolio, the key to success in navigating the volatile crypto market and potentially maximizing profits. However, always remember to do your own research and consult with a financial expert before making any investment decisions. Now that we've reached the end of this video, let me know in the comments below which crypto coin you like the most and which one you like the least. If you enjoyed the video, click the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next cryptos to buy to become a millionaire. Take a look in the description for my recommendations on the next videos to watch to earn with crypto. And remember, money is never enough.